Hi, I'm Patrick Stegall. I'm a Memphis DUI lawyer, and today I want to kind of give you an overview of DUI laws in Tennessee, and if you're faced with this charge, what are some possible options for you and some possible outcomes. DUI is a very serious offense. In Tennessee, like in most states, we have first offense, second offense, third offense, and so forth. Each time the consequences get more serious. For first offense DUI, there are some minimum punishments. I'll go over those. If you are convicted, if you are convicted as charged of DUI of a first offense in Tennessee, you will face jail time. You will have to serve some jail time, okay? You will lose your license. You may be eligible for having an interlock device placed on your car where you can drive, but you will have your license suspended for 1 year. You will have to go on probation. You will have to pay fines and attend an alcohol safety class. You may have to perform community service or do other conditions of probation. So those are some of the basic punishments if you're convicted as charged. But you may not be convicted as charged. You may be able to work out a deal. You may be able to get it reduced or amended to like a reckless driving. Now those don't happen on every case. There's got to be something about your case where, you know, I as a defense lawyer would go to the prosecutor and say, look, you've got a problem with your case. Your evidence isn't strong enough. You can't prove all of these elements beyond a reasonable doubt. If that's a situation, we may be able to work out getting the charge amended to reckless driving. Your other option would be to have a trial, maintain your innocence, and go all the way to a jury trial. I'll be honest, not many of these cases do go to trial, but that is your right, that is your option. If you feel like you've got no other choice, if you feel like you are not in a position to plead guilty, the government does not have strong enough evidence to convict you, but they aren't willing to reduce it or amend it to reckless driving, then a trial may be the only option. That's just something that you'll have to think about, and I as your attorney will have to review the evidence against you and see what is the best possible course. So the first thing to do though is to call an experienced DUI lawyer. I want to sit down and talk with you, hear all about your case, and then I will file the motions to get the evidence in your case and go over that with you and talk to the prosecutor and see what the best options are. That's kind of a roadmap of how a DUI generally works. I mean, it can be anywhere from a few months to as long as a couple of years if you go to trial. Your case could be going on for a couple of years. That's why most of those don't go to trial. But it starts with an initial meeting with your lawyer and then reviewing the evidence and seeing what are the best options. So if you have been charged with DUI in the Memphis area, give me a call. Thanks for watching.